Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Stockholm, Sweden. So, mag-explore tayo. Ang ganda ng building nila. Tingnan nyo. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, tapos ito, dito bridge. Tapos, ang daming foreigner usually. Ang dami. Sinabi din kanina sa bus, yung driver, dito ba dapat yung cost ng lupa, 10,000 per square meter, 10,000 euro. Diba? Bongga, mahal. And guys ng Sweden. Ito museum nila. Ito sa baba. Ayan, pero close pa. Ang daming bulaklak, tulip, tapos dito yung ano na, river. Ayan, may statue. Ano to siguro nila? Baka hero. O si Rizal. Mga historical yung mga building nila. Ang ganda ng Stockholm, Sweden. Stockholm, Sweden.
Yeah, that's the parliament. Yeah, this is the parliament. So here we have also about the influence the Germans had in Stockholm and in the culture in general. The first of the Germans was a bit similar when it comes grammatically. Why they're so influential.
Ang ganda ng building nila guys. Tingnan nyo. Mapapawaw ka. Dito tayo guys, parang maraming tao dito pumupunta. Ang dami nilang shop. Ang liit natin dito. Daming turista. Daming pasahero. Oh, beautiful. Hi guys! guys, nandito tayo sa kanilang plaza. So maraming tulips. Guys, ang dami nilang bulaklak. Ang dami ditong nagtutour ng mga India. Dito sa Sweden, hindi rin sila tumatanggap ng cash, bihira lang, mostly card only, kahit saang shop. Ito, sightseeing din kung gusto mong umikot dito sa Stockholm River nila. How much the ocean bath?
Buy them here,
I don't know.
but I would buy them in a couple of hours.
I'm doing my first day here, so I don't have all the info yet.
I pressure today.
Oh, okay. So
You
it's
can always
3:30.
use the QR code
3:30.
or
Around how many
our
minutes?
website and book yourself. That's why you use it all the time.
It takes 1 hour.
Mayroong ocean bus doon, takes 1 hour, 330 sa pera nila. Mahal, parang mga 30 plus US. Kasi yung 50 crown sa pera nila is 5 US. That's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next destination. Bye!